Hello and welcome. This is TRADEXBIS. So I made a part 1 of this video on how to use an MT5 application. So this is the part 2 of the video. Now let's go. If you are yet to watch the previous video on how to use the MT5 application, make sure you go ahead and watch the video so you can understand the basics before diving into this video. Now in this video, for those that commented that they want the part 2, that is why I'm creating the part 2. And I said I would teach you how to use the Fibonacci, how to draw your lines on the MT5 platform, how to add indicators and so on. So the first thing I'm going to show you is how to add a particular asset, whether it is Forex or synthetic indices. Now I've said it before that I'm using Daily Broker. Daily Broker allows me to trade both crypto, synthetic indices and also Forex at the same time. You can see all my codes here. I have Boom, I have Dog, I have ETH USD, I have Euro USD. That's a combination of both Forex, synthetic indices and crypto. If you want to open a derivative trading account, kindly check the link in bio to open an account. It's very simple and easy. Alright, so let's take for instance, I want to add a particular crypto to my timeline, or I want to add a particular Forex pair to my timeline. So how am I going to do that? So the first thing you want to do is to go to quotes. When you go to quotes, when you click on quotes, all right, then you go to the search symbol, then you click on it. You can see it is giving you to click on whatever you want. So what I want is Forex, okay, Forex major. Let's take for instance, I want to add USD card. Can you see the assets I added are the one that already ticked? So I can just go ahead and click on USD card. That means it has been added to my list. All right, so that is that. It's just as easy as that. Let's say I want to add any type of volatility indices. So these are all the volatility indices. These ones that are already ticked in blue are the ones that I have on my list already. So I can just go ahead and click on anyone that has not been checked. For example, the 31S index, volatility 31X index. Yes, so I clicked on it now. That means that it has been added to my list. That is it. It's as easy as that. Let's go back to charts. All right, now this is your chart. If you want to draw a trend line on this chart, how are you going to do it? It's just very easy. All you need to do is to click on this object. Okay, now can you see this is rectangle sign, this is the Fibonacci, this is the line, this is the trend line, the last one here. All right, so now I want to draw a trend line. Now I pick the last one and I go ahead and draw the trend line. Can you see that? So it's just as easy as that. All right, so I want to draw Fibonacci. How am I going to draw the Fibonacci? I click on the object again. I select the logo with the F. That is the Fibonacci tool. All right, and I want to draw my Fibonacci. This is an uptrending chart at the moment. It's an uptrending chart, so I will draw my fib from the bottom to the top. Okay, yes, so that is my fib. All right, so you can see the 50%, the below 880s, price can retrace any moment from there. So that is how to draw your Fibonacci. If it is for a downtrending market, all right, a bearish market structure, you're going to draw your fib from the top to the bottom. All right, so let's say you still want to add something to it. If you want to add another object, for instance, like your rectangle, you select it and then you draw it. Maybe you want to draw it in an area of imbalance. You can see the way I'm drawing it out. Yes, it's just as easy as that. So you have added that. If you want to add an indicator, all you need to do is to click on this sign that looks like a letter F. All right, you click on the letter F signal, you click on it, so you can see all types of indicators, envelopes, Ichimoku, moving average, parabolic star, standard deviation, oscillators, and so on. So you can go ahead to add any type of indicator you want to add. All right, so it's just as easy as that. Thank you so much for watching this video. I believe you've gained a lot of value from it. See you next time. This is TRADEXBIS.